Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to post daily on OnlyFans. So just I log into my account. Should I post every day on OnlyFans? You should be posting multiple times a day, every day if you want to maintain your subscriber account. So by far the best way to promote OnlyFans is by doing collab with other OnlyFans creators. It's much quicker than posting lots and lot of content on social media and cheaper than paying for advertising. You make even some money by helping other creators to promote their page. So make sure you can promote the other creators and more make money. How do you make a good post on OnlyFans? Make sure you have a clear profile photo and cover photo that help show the type of content you post. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.